Hi guys, it's me Jen. Welcome to Chico Milkshake, and today we'll be opening Shopkins. And this is a sweet spot. Actually, you can see here. And as this is a gumball machine, so we have a gumball machine, a lollipop stand, 2 exclusive Shopkins, and this is
a cart.
And 2
shopping bags,
but they're actually closed. From here you can see they're closed. Yeah. And as you can see right over here, that there's little shelf space. And over here it's written, I'll give it a time to read. And of there, it's actually from the food fair. So the food fair is related to this.
Okay.
So, hi guys, welcome to part 2 of the food fair sweet spot of the gumball machine. So, it's me here. Hi. And I have put my Shopkins and some gumballs inside, and Shopkins fills in. And our cart is right over here. Ready
the
to... So as you can see, little details, sugars, candies. So we have 2 spaces for our exclusive Shopkins that came. So let's see what's inside here. You can hear that? Oh. So let's open this one. It's our lollipop. Lollipop. Let's add it on the top. What else did we got? A jelly bean, right? A jelly bean, no. It's, those kind of sugary things in these jelly wobbles. So let's click
Let's see the gumball machine.
Let's see the gumball machine. Let's see who we got first. So we have little 2 contestants here. They will be trying. How about first 2? So the egg plate is giving a turn to the egg. So let's see what the egg got. There's our gumball, and pop. He got a pancake. A pancake. Should we put the Shopkin inside or the gumball? Oh. So, this is your buddy. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So, let's put them over here. Okay? Oh. This is so roundy. Now it's my turn. Let's see what... I think he got the yellow one. Yeah, got the yellow one. Let's see what's inside. Pop. He got a waffle. Woohoo! A waffle. Oh, this is keep falling down from me because I'm just so excited. So the friends are here. So we got 2 empty. Let's fill them up with. I think somebody is visiting. Hello, I'm from the Health and Beauty. I want a surprise. I love surprises. Oh, we have 2 options. How about the lollipop stand, the cart, the shelves, or a blind gumball? Blind gumball, please, blind gumball. Okay, let's see Lippy Lips. What did he got? Oh, she got a blue one. What is it? Open it right now. Okay. Oh, you got a donut. So let's keep her here with her buddy. Her buddy is smaller than her, actually. Whoop. I think someone special. Very, very special, but he's smarter than Lippy Lips. Hello, I'm from the limited edition. Please clap for a ring from the limited edition. So, I have offer for you. Blind bag, please. Okay, let's give her a blind bag. Everybody are choosing blind bags. Oh, you got a pancake. Oh, I love pancakes. I eat them. So let's put our limited edition with our friend. Okay. So there's 2 more left. Oops. So I hope you like my video. So actually I forgot to tell you something. It's my mom's turn, right? Let's see what did my mom get. Let me open it for you. Just pop. She got a sandwich. My mom loves sandwiches. So let's keep my mom's over here. Okay. So all the breads are here. So there is 1 more left. So let's try the 1 more, okay? I'm so excited. Now it's my turn. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So let me just do it like this. OMG! I got a cupcake! I'm the luckiest one. But I feel very good for the others. Clap for them even. So, let's keep it right over here. Inside. So I hope you like my video, and if you haven't, please send me a picture like this, like the gumballs inside or Shopkins. I really love pictures, you know. So bye.